Hello and welcome to our tutorial on setting up Google Analytics 4 on Shopify without using Google Tag Manager. Google Analytics 4 is the latest version of Google Analytics that offers a more streamlined and user-friendly approach to data analysis. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform used by many online stores to sell their products. In this video, we will show you how to set up Google Analytics 4 on your Shopify store step by step so you can track your website data accurately and effectively. So let's get started. Before we need to create Google Analytics 4 account and properties. Go to analytics.google.com, enter your account name or business name and go to next and enter your property name. Choose your country, choose your currency and next and select your industry category. It's a very important. Google will help you to improve your business and select your business size. I'm selecting small and you can click that apply, all that apply and create and also mark and I accept. This is our GA4 properties and now go to Shopify and configure your Shopify store. The next step is to configure your Shopify store to work with Google Analytics 4. To do this, you will need to install the Google Analytics app and your Shopify store and connect it with your GA4 property. Once you have installed the app, you will need to enter your GA4 property ID and enable enhanced e-commerce tracking. This will allow you to track your website sales and other important metrics. And select the online store. Go to preference, go down and you can see here is the Google Analytics option. Just select the manage pixel here. Click the Google Analytics app at sales channel. And Google Analytics app channel is installed done. Now connect your Google account and choose your account name. Before we need to do some setting on our Google Analytics account. Go to data stream. If you not create him, you will not see your GA4 property here. Visit your store. Copy your store link. And again go to Google Analytics 4 data stream. Select web. Enter your store URL and you can see enter your business name and create a stream. As you can see, here is your stream ID 720. Now go to your Shopify store, the backend and reload. After reload it, now you can see your Google Analytics 4 account. And this is my property stream. And as you can see, our GA4 stream ID is. Now select the connect and our Google Analytics 4 with our store is connected successful. And you will see here is some Google Merchant Center is option. You can ignore this. You don't know this anything if you don't need to set up Merchant Center. Now if I visit my store and if I go to the Google Analytics property and if I go to the debug view or report section and if I reload the again store, sometime it will take a time, don't worry. Just we need to wait for a active your GA4 properties. After wait a minute and as you can see, if I go to real time, our store is Google Analytics 4 is perfectly working. This is our store name, page view even. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Google Analytics 4 on your Shopify store without using Google Tag Manager. By following these simple steps, you will be able to track your website data accurately and effectively, allowing you to make informed decisions about your online business. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. And don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest video. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you the next one.